We have a Haas Vertical Machining Center model VF3, serial number 1082214. This machine was new in 12 of 2010 and it was installed in 2011 and we are running it for you. Machine has a 10,000 RPM Cat 40 spindle. Right now we're running at 2,500 RPM. The 10,000 RPM is an option. We're going up. 5,000 RPM. Nice and quiet. 8,000 RPM. Great. So again, you have a 10,000 RPM spindle option. He's simulating a tool change. You have a 20 tool umbrella style automatic tool changer. All right. So the machine has the 18 by 48 inch T-slotted table. You have 20 inches of Y, 25 inches of Z. He's running the Z right now, and 40 inches of X travel. He's running the X. Machine also has whips or wireless intuitive probing system with Renishaw part and tool probes. That's okay. Saddle travel. Great. So, oh, and the machine also has a chip auger and it has the high intensity lighting. So nicely equipped machine. Again, high intensity lighting. You have whips, you have chip auger, you have a 10,000 RPM spindle. Hey, thank you for watching our video.